If you wanted to know should I join Craftshala, then keep watching this video. You will get to know in detail about it. Hi everyone, this is Anurag Singh and I am from MLP 14 batch and I am basically from Delhi only and completed my mechanical engineering. After that I did job in operations for 1 year and then after that I was preparing for banking exam along with stock market trading. I really wanted to get into full-time job, so I figured out digital marketing is the thing which I can do. So I researched about it and then get to know about Craftshala, and then I started my journey with Craftshala only. Currently I am working as a senior marketing analyst with HiveMinds. So there is a saying that if you are enjoying your job, then do it, or if you are making good money in that, then do it. But for me, none was true. So I was actually not enjoying my job, and then at that time I figured out that I really need to do something where I enjoy, and also financial point of view it's also good for me. So then digital marketing came to my mind, and then I realized it is the good option for me. So when I search about digital marketing and what I can do to get into it, so Craftshala was a very different organization because it was not only giving you the education but also placement. So that is the best part because they are so confident about their teaching that not only you get the education but also the placement right after that. So this is the unique part, and as soon as I go through their curriculum, they are not only focusing on the functional skill but also on the behavioral skill and the communication skill, which is very important to get into these roles. So that's the best part which I liked about Craftshala, and that's how I started my journey into it. So when I joined Craftshala, I joined just from the point of view that I will get to learn digital marketing and they will taught me functional thing. But then after joining that, I was not only getting the functional aspect of digital marketing but also behavioral thing and communication part they are working on. That is really very helpful for me. Now it is being used in my daily job as well. Along with it, they also teach Excel classes. So at that point of time, I don't know how much it is gonna use, but in my job from day one, this Excel is being used, and I'm really thankful for that because it is something that is making me stand out from other peers who are studying their digital marketing journey. In Craftshala, the kind of faculty they was giving, the expert which are coming, have real experience in the industry, and that actually helped me to get my doubts clear, how I need to prepare, what skill I need to focus on, and that actually helped me to get the job. The main thing, the kind of companies that are coming and the role they are giving, that is totally aligned with digital marketing. What they are telling and what they are giving, it's totally same. So that's the best part. So what I have observed that there is a lot of change in my personality. Earlier I used to be introvert and not very much comfortable in talking with unknown people, but now I am very comfortable and having a conversation with them easily. So that is the thing which I observe a huge change in myself. Right after completion of the course, within 1 month I get the job, and I was very happy when I got to know that I got placed in HiveMinds as a senior marketing analyst. So everyone was happy and it's going really nice, and the main thing is I really enjoy my job, so that is the best part. And the saying is very true that if you really enjoy your work, so you don't feel the pressure. So same is here with me. Yeah, so for advice for people, if they are not sure whether they should join or not, first thing is if you are really serious about what you wanted to do, then it is a good place. You really need to be committed toward it and try to absorb the learning as much as you get. So there are people who will help you, but if you don't ask the help, then you will not able to get the help. When I also started my digital marketing journey, I was not 100% sure that this is the field where I should be start my journey or not, but there are a few things related to marketing and it is something that I really excited about. So I started it and it really turned out to be fruitful for me, and I really enjoying the work, and that is the main best part for me.